Land trusts or title holding trusts are used for anonymity purposes, but they don't actually provide protection from a lawsuit itself. An LLC is required to be able to provide that protection. A trust is made of three parts. You have a grantor of the trust, a trustee, and a beneficiary. A trustee is used to actually control the property of the trust and manage the trust itself. The beneficiary is the person entitled to all of the benefits of the trust, all of the money flowing from the trust. Now, in some circumstances, you will be required to be able to disclose who the trustee of a trust is. Now, for that, we can use a nominee trustee. This is a person that's listed on the trust document that has very small defined powers, such as filing a tax return on behalf of the trust with the comptroller or the tax agency for the state, or perhaps just for filing purposes of the deed. The nominee trustee can be limited to not have no other powers inside of the trust besides of that. Now, anybody that's looking to actually alienate a property, sell it, or dispose of the trust assets will want to look at the trust agreement before they know that they're going to buy an asset from your trust. And that agreement, they'll see that the nominee trustee doesn't have those powers. So you don't have to worry about somebody running away with your property. And the person that will have those powers will be said in that document, and that person can be you. My name is Scott Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney out of Austin, Texas. I'm a real estate investor, and I want to help you.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want more high quality content just like this, you can find it here on our YouTube channel or go into our website, royallegalsolutions.com. We have a ton of free content from our blogs, our videos, the podcasts that I have been featured on. Whatever question you have, we're going to have it there for you.